Question 2 of January 2012, Core 2. It's a trapeze root question, and this is where the calculator really helps. So first thing I'm going to do, because it's a trapeze root, I'm going to find width. So, oops, let me change it back to black. So the width of my trapeze is going to be the difference in my limits, which is basically 4, divided by the number of strips I have, which is also 4. So my widths are 1, and you normally get your first mark there. Next one, or next mark thingy I'm going to get is basically filling in this table. It starts at 0, so I've got to start at 0. And then I'm going up in steps of 1. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And again, I've got 5 ordinates, so that must mean I have to have 5 x values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 x values, 5 ordinates. Next, I've got to find the y values essentially. So just bear with me. I'm gonna use the graphical calculator for this. So I just need to unselect all this nonsense I have here. And so the equation I'm going to type in is what is it? It's 2 to the power of x, and then that's divided by x plus 1. Now I'm using a table function in my graphical calculator, so I'll tell you about it when we get to it, I suppose. But it's just handy because it gives me all the values. So for oops, it's just hang on, just bear with me. No, edit, no. How do I do this? Set 0 and that 4. Sorry. Yeah, alright, so my first value is 1, then it's 1 again, then 1.3 recurring, then it's 2, and then last but not least, it's 3.2. So there we are. Yeah, like I said, I used the table to actually do this. So all I did was I put that equation into the graphical calculator, and then it just found me the y values. But there's some stuff you got to do. But I'll teach you it a bit later. Next, all you need to do is just substitute everything into the equation. So remember, it's half the width, which is just going to be half, times these two values added together, so 4.2, plus 2 times all these values plus together. So I think that is 4.3, maybe? No, we'll see. So let's try that out. So what is it? It's 4.2 plus 2 times, alright, my button wasn't working. And just to be safe, I'll type it out. 1 plus 1.3 recurring plus 2. And then check that out. So I've got 12.86 recurring, and then I need to times that by half. So times by 0.5, and I get the answer of 6.43 recurring, and it wants us to be 3 significant figures. So my answer is going to be 6.43, and I'll leave it at that. And that's it. Next question, how can I find a better approximate? There's only one real answer, basically add more. I'm going to be mean, I want you to use the word ordinates. So don't say add more trapezes, add more strips, add more whatnots. Best thing to do is use the word ordinates, okay? And that's it, let's mark it. So I think we're on orange now. That's good enough, orange. So first mark is for 1. So yeah, there's our 1. Next mark is for finding basically the substitutions of all these numbers, so these y values here, and then actually finding them in real life, so this thing here. So I'm going to say it's right here. I've turned it into decimals. They've kept it as fractions because they want to do that. The last mark is for the actual three significant answer, 6.43, 6.43, and there you are. Next bit, increase the number of ordinates, and there it is. I did say don't go for strips. It does say in the mark scheme that they will allow increase in the number of strips. So yeah, go for the number of strips, but like I said, ordinates is a keyword. They like using that word. All right, swap over to question 3.